We're house sitting in coastal WA. Carl's just been given a brand new DJI Mini 3 drone. And while testing it out, we spotted something in the water we really didn't expect.
Happy birthday to me, back in November. Happy birthday to me, back in November. Anyway, here we go. Look what I've got. Got a new gadget. Alright, let's get it out of its box. Unzip it. So, we've got the droney. That's the DJI Mini 3. Then we got the controller, which is the new RC2, which has got a screen built in. Underneath.
And now we're going to charge it up.
Yeah, that's what we're getting it all out for, so we can get it all charged up. That's the cables and the instructions.
Right, are we done now?
No! So we do have 3 batteries. You've got 2 batteries and the third actually on the camera. And then it all goes in there, which is neat. Now what I've got to try and remember is how it all goes back in. Right, I can work out how to get into the bag.
Mr. Tetris Man. I'll show you the puppies.
And here we go, look. 3 batteries. USB in for charging, USB out if you want to run something to charge off it, and you can run it as a battery bank, and then you can turn it on. So that needs charging. All my chargers are in here, or the cable I should say, and I've got 2 USB cables, a spare screwdriver so that you can get the props off. Screwdriver. Oh, you've given up on me then, have you?
Doggies are much
Oh, here we
more.
go. It's all in here. So we've got spare props. No, it's the spare screws somewhere.
Right, we're done.
Yep, I think so. Oh, what's this one on the back? Oh, we've got Cheryl ringing us.
Better answer it.
Better answer it, gotta find it first. Hello.
Lost the dog. Where's Chewy? No, it's not Chewy. No, it's Where's Jaja gone, Chewy? Oh, there he is.
Is that a sausage dog wrapped up like a sausage dog?
I think it might be. You heard your name, he came out and I called his name. That's such a good dog. You're good boys, aren't you? Yeah, you're good boys. Good boys. Good boys. Good boys, yeah. Good boys. Licky, 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 licky. Yeah, licky, licky, licky. Good boys. Right, what are we playing, Mr. Blizzard?
We're playing Husband Wins this game.
I'm playing husband on the phone. Anyway, Tim, we miss you. And of course, Lucy.
Guess what I've been doing?
Carl,
I can't stop it! I can't stop it!
I think you need to quit drinking. Got the DGs.
Oh, that's weird, isn't it?
What have you been doing?
Okay, I've not been drinking. Well, until I'll open this one. I've been whippersnipping.
Doing the husband duties.
Doing the house sitting duties.
Having a quick drink just to refresh.
That hand's fine. This one, look at that. That is mental, isn't it? Anyway,
And what have you been?
Back to gardening.
What have you been playing with today?
Whippersnipper.
No.
Blower.
No.
Got the mower to come.
No.
Ah, you mean my drone.
Yes, and I didn't video it.
My droney. Well, it's a bit windy out there. I got a high wind warning, so I didn't go too crazy.
someone's been driving down there.
Yeah, you can definitely there. Oh, mate behind me is just come off
Airing
the beach.
down. Oh,
He's
he's
airing
airing
up,
up.
I think.
Oh, that hurt. Oh. You're gonna get sand in your pants.
Too late. Got a pocket full of sand.
Do you want to go and swim with the seals, Carl? I missed them. They were literally there.
That's not a seal. That was a dolphin.
That's not a dolphin.
Unless it was a seal fin.
No, I saw the pointy noses. There you go, it's a pointy nose.
Not a seal. It's either a dolphin or a shark.
Shark? Why would you say it's a shark?
Because it's pointy nose and then he had a bit sticking out the back.
Right at the front now, there's two of them.
Yeah, it's two.
That is not a shark, that's a seal. That's definitely a seal,
No, it's
Carl.
definitely a seal.
What are you doing?
I don't know, trying to find my drone. It's up in the air somewhere.
You do that deliberately?
Yeah.
You're not? I'm on the wrong side of the sun. Must be that side. No, don't go over there. You gonna grab it?
No.
You don't want any sand getting into it.
No.
Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Black swans. Need glasses.
Do you want some sand?
Yeah, it's too windy.
There's plenty of sand coming out of my hair. Lovely spot.
Lovely.
I wonder how much it costs for camping. Yabba.
Yabba gabbada do. Yabba gabbada do. Gabbada 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 da da. Yabba gabbada do.
How are you? Crazy. You trying to kiss me? Where's that baby fish?
Baby fish missing.
Is he MIA, missing in action?
Right, feeding of the fishies.
If you are enjoying our videos, please click like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications.
In our next episode, we do the Pinnacles Desert Lookout and Drive in Western Australia.